Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Snowflake warehouses for optimized query performance. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Once logged in, navigate to the Warehouses section in the left-hand menu. Identify the warehouse you wish to optimize. Click on the warehouse name to open its detailed settings. Review the current configuration and performance metrics. Evaluate the size of the warehouse based on your workload needs. If necessary, adjust the size to a larger option for more demanding queries. Conversely, consider resizing to a smaller option if workloads are consistently light. Check the auto-suspend and auto-resume settings. Set the auto-suspend time to a value that balances cost and performance. Review the scaling policy for the warehouse. Decide between standard and economy scaling based on your performance goals. If you're experiencing consistent performance issues, consider enabling multi-cluster functionality. Set the minimum and maximum number of clusters based on your expected workload spikes. Test the changes made by running a set of queries. Monitor the performance after adjustments to ensure improvements. Use the query history feature to analyze performance trends over time. Revisit the configuration periodically to adapt to changing workload patterns. Document your changes for future reference and optimization efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.